Now that our Vue.js app is set up, we need to change this layout with hours. But first, we need to set up our routing. Routing means that we must tell the Vue.js that which layout should be displayed when a certain URL is accessed. Because it is a single page application, we will explain it along the way. If you prefer a text-based tutorial of this video, you can visit this link. So go to the web folder and inside it you will see a source folder, and inside it you need to open the file main.js. In this file we will define all our routes, components or pages in Vue.js. Every page you see in a single page application is a component. So if you access /about, we will be rendering a component like about us component.vue. All component files will have an extension .vue in Vue.js apps, just like all the HTML files have extension .html. To do the routing, we first have to install the module that will allow us to do routing. So open cmd in web folder and run the command npm install Vue router. After it is installed, run the Vue app again. Then in your main.js, import the two functions we need from the Vue router module. Create router that will be used to create a router instance, and create web history. This is a history mode in Vue.js and it is helpful when user refreshes the page. We will display it the relevant component. For example, if the URL is /about and since it is a single page application, if user refreshes this page, then it will show the same about us component. Then we will create an array that will hold all the paths we will be using in our app and their relevant components. Then we are going to call the create router function. It accepts an object containing history mode and the routes array. And we will split this line in multiple parts. We will call create app and pass the app component as parameter. It will return the Vue.js app instance which we will store in a variable. Then we tell the Vue.js app to use the routing. And finally we mount the div having id as app to our Vue.js app. In this way our complete Vue app will be running in a single div tag since all the interface is rendered via virtual DOM, which is completely managed by Vue.js. Right now it will have no effect. In the next tutorial we will change this layout with hours.